I just saw a news that we can access Claude Code from the Slack. We can easily integrate Claude with the Slack. So I'm currently on the web version of the Claude because I tried the Claude desktop application. I didn't see that option. And on the documentation, I saw that they said we can access the Slack integration by opening the web version. So from here, we have to click on the code to access the Claude Code web version. And here you will see try the Slack app and the install button. Just click on that button and it will redirect you to this page. And there is a sign in to install button that is currently disabled. So we have to sign in first. So let's sign into my Slack first. Okay, I am signed into Slack, and on the top right you see a drop down. We have to select the Slack account that we want to use. If you have multiple workspaces, then you will have to select one where you want to install it from this drop down. So now we have the button enabled to add it to the Slack. So let's click on that and wait for some time. Now it has redirected me to this page, add to Slack. So it is saying Claude and Slack better together, draft content, do quick research, and prep for meetings right where you are already working. And bring Claude to Slack, ask your Slack workspace admin to approve it. As this workspace is created by me, so I have all the rights to do that. So let's click on the add to Slack. Okay, now here it is asking for some permission that this app is going to access for these permissions. So I will just click on the allow. It is saying Claude is installed. So now let's go back to the Slack. Claude application has been added here. You can just click on that, and here it is saying that Claude is an AI assistant that can help you with various tasks. Okay, we first have to connect to our Claude account. To use Claude, connect to your Claude.ai account for secure access to Claude's API. So let's do that. Click on the connect account. Okay, it redirected me to this page. So just authorize it, and once it is authorized, go back to the Slack, and here you see that I am connected with Claude. Now I have the setting on this Claude application. We have to select the model, that which model you would like to use for the conversation. You have Opus, Sonnet, Haiku. For now, I will keep selected the Opus, and then we have the routing mode. Choose how Claude handles your message. We have two options, code only, coding, and technical task only. And we also have the option code plus chat, coding plus writing, analysis, and general assistance. Claude will choose to route your messages between code and chat. Now you just go to the chat section of Claude app, try a quick chat with it. Hi, and you see that Claude is typing, and we got the response back from the Claude. Hi Ayaz, how is it going? What can I help you with today? So here you can ask anything, you can talk about anything like which programming language is best in 2026. Okay, it replied. So this is how you can easily use Claude in your Slack. And there are many other features. So for example, you can also tag Claude within your chat. So for example, I added @ character, and I can see Claude here. You just select that and you can ask it, can you tell me what's happening in this channel? So let's see. Okay, you mentioned Claude, but they are not in this channel. We first have to add them, then it will work in this channel. So let's add it. Now Claude is answering my question. You see that it is generating response. Okay, I got a reply within my channel. You just click on that, and here you see that it is replying that looking at the recent activity on this channel, here is what's been happening. You joined the channel and posted a couple of hello world test messages, both automated through the N8N workflow, etc. So you see that you can tag this Claude in any channel and you can collaborate with it along with your team. And here on the top, we also have an option to switch to the code repo. So if you click on that, it will allow you to select your GitHub repositories. It didn't work for me. Sorry, something went wrong loading your repositories. Please try again. So let's give it another try. It is not working. I don't know why it is not working. I will look into that further. If you know why it is not working, or if you got success in loading your repositories, then please let me know in the comment section below. And this is all I wanted to show you in this video. If you think this video is useful, then please like and share this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.